How to cancel Spotify Premium. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Spotify and search for it. Now click on this website of Spotify. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Spotify. Now you have to log into your account. Click on these three bars. Click on the option of login. Now go ahead and type in your Spotify account's credentials. Type in your email address and password and then click on login. After you log in, you'll land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you'll find the settings icon. Click on it. Now navigate to the option of view account. Now go ahead and click on the option of manage your plan. Now over here you will find the Spotify premium of yours. You have to go ahead and click on that premium plan, and then at the bottom of it you'll find the option of cancel premium. Click on it. With that, confirmation will pop up. Click on confirm cancellation. With that, you have just cancelled Spotify premium. Now you won't be charged anymore. Well, this way you can easily cancel Spotify premium. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.